Now I will click on this Save button to save all the changes, and then I will go back to the home page. The designing part of our store is almost complete now. The only thing that are left here are the store header and the footer. We can add some of our best collections on this header menu. And then we also need to add our policy pages in the footer menu. So I will exit this store editor by clicking on this Exit button. Now we are back at the Shopify dashboard. Here, click on Settings on the bottom left, and then go to Policies. Here, you'll see different policies, such as the return policy, privacy policy, and much more. We need to add our policies here. Now, a good thing about Shopify is that it provides us with some pre-made templates for these policies. You only need to click on this Insert button, and the template will be added here. This will make your work much easier, as you only need to make a little bit of changes in this template and then publish it. And you can repeat the same process for creating your privacy policy and terms and conditions. Next, we have the shipping policy. Shopify doesn't have any templates for this shipping policy, but you can use an AI tool like ChatGPT to create your shipping policy page. For shipping policy, make sure to clarify the delivery time in the first paragraph itself, and make sure to add your contact information in this section. This is very important, so make sure you don't miss any of these policies. Lastly, you need to click on this Manage button here. Next, select a return window here, and then click on this Turn On button. Now, click on this Save button to save your changes, and then go back and close this Settings tab. Alright, now go to Navigation option on the left menu. Here, you need to design your header and footer menu. To edit the header, click on this Main menu option. Next, I will delete this Catalog option from this menu. Next, I will click on this Add Menu Item option, and then I will add one of my product collections here. I will also drag it to the second position. I will repeat the same process, but this time I will add my shirt collections. Next, I will add a blog page in this menu, which will contain all the blog posts that I will publish in the future. And then I will hit the Save button. And now it's time to edit the footer menu as well. First, I will delete this search option from this menu, and then just like I added different collections in the header menu, I will add all the policy pages in the footer menu. Once it's done, I will save all these changes by clicking on this Save button. Next, I will go to Online Store and click on this Customize button. This will take us to the Shopify editor. Here you can see that the main menu is updated successfully. And now, if you scroll down, you'll see that the footer menu is also updated. And as you can see, the policy pages are appearing here 2 times. So I can simply select this footer menu and then click on this trash icon to delete it. Alright, now click on this footer option on the left, and you'll find a lot of options here. For example, you can enable this email sign-up option, which will add this email section on the footer. Next, I will change this subscribe text. For example, I can add something like, "Enter your email and get 10% off on your order." This is a great way to get some potential customers. So make sure to try this on your store. Okay, now I will save all these changes. And with this step, our store design is finally complete. Now, to launch your store online, you need to follow these 3 steps. First, you need to connect a domain into your store. Next, you need to connect a payment gateway on this store. And last but not least, you'll need to select a payment plan of Shopify. These are some technical stuffs, and I have made separate video on these topics. I will leave those video links in the video description. Now, if you have followed this video until now, then I have a gift for you. As a thank you gift, I want to give this entire Shopify design to those who have followed this entire video. To get this design, you can contact us on our Instagram or Twitter handle, and I will give this design to you for absolutely free. Alternatively, if this video gets 250 likes, I will directly upload this theme in the video description. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.